everybody, I got this online and quickly let me just unbox it. So this is a hand gripper. So whenever you pin something or you hold something and squeeze it, that's where your forearms are used. You can see that your forearms are getting tight here, contracting. So this is a very good exercise for the fingers and also for the forearms. So whenever you hold something, pin something, okay, or you even grip something and squeeze it, that's where your forearms get activated. It's a very good exercise for your forearms. So when I go to the gym, I do not find any equipment there where I can use and exercise my forearms. Okay, usually we have the gorilla grippers, but if it's not present in your gym, then you can always carry this in your gym bag, or you can even use it at home whenever you're free. This can also be used as a stress relief. Okay, so these come in 3 different colors. I already have this color. So the resistance is 11 kgs, the yellow one, and the orange one is 25 kgs, and this one which I have with me, the dark pink one, is 40 kgs. So this, for my first set, it becomes very difficult because the resistance is too hard. Okay, so you can see it's too hard, the resistance. So I will use this for my first set. Okay, so even if you are a beginner and you just want to practice this, you can buy the yellow one, 11 kg one, and then I use this if I'm comfortable for my second set. Yes, this is really hard, 25. See how hard it is? Stress relief, and also to work on the fingers and the nerves. So one, I'll give it to my friend as a gift, and I'll keep these 2 with me. I have all the pictures. It's very good for the wrist. You want to try? Yeah. This is the lightest one. You try with this.
So, lightest one.
Yes.
Very easy.
Yes.
What did you say about kgs? I didn't understand.
This is 11 kg resistance.
Means what?
Like when you squeeze it, that is known as resistance.
11 kgs, huh?
Yes, and this is 25. So when you squeeze this now, it's going to be hard. Try this.
This is dominating hand of mine. Now let me see, I do the right
So this
hand.
is very hard.
See?
See, it's not
That-
getting squeezed completely.
This?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. That means my right
So,
hand also
turn
is
this.
strong.
See this. See your forearm. See there. It's
Good.
very hard.
Feel good, so soothing it is.
See. See your forearm.
This is
Use this yellow one. Keep doing it.
I'm a lefty. Okay.
So
Give me both, I will do.
No, you use.
Equally do well. Good man. 3 kg this is resistant.
But this is better. I like this.
What is this called actually, this item?
Hand
Resistant
gripper.
back.
Hand gripper. So you can keep this in your purse.
That's what I'll do. I'll do Okay. Because every day if I do twice, it's okay. So soothing it is, here.
Yeah.
Anyway, you keep safely in your... So you're giving me one of them. When you're giving your friend, you said.
This I'm giving my friend.
Okay. It is at...
So this is an more addition into our home.
Yes, home gym.
Exercise tools.
Home gym edition. Every month you keep adding. Anyway, bye. Thank you.